Good afternoon. My name is Scott Rudler, Chief Strategic Officer of T3Live.com. Welcome to today's recap and look ahead.
大家好，欢迎收看今天的直击美股，我是主持人赵冰晶，在纽约向您问好。今天是12月份的第一个交易日，我们看到呢，美股三大指数涨跌不一，道琼斯指数收涨了68点，但是代表科技股的纳斯达克指数呢，却是跌幅超过了1%。道指当中呢，金融板块以及能源板块领涨，但是呢，我们看到呢，投资者呢已经将资金从防御类型的板块转向了周期类型的板块，而出现这个举措的原因呢，是因为10年期国债的大幅度的抛售。目前的10年期国债的收益率呢，已经大幅飙涨至接近了2.5%，已经是接近了17个月以来的新高。另外，在油价方面呢，我们看到今天油价呢是收涨了近3%，WTI 轻质原油的价格目前已经突破了50美元大关的心理关口。Scott, the Dow Jones was up, but S&P and Nasdaq both going lower, and as you mentioned, the small cap was going lower also. Should we be more cautious, or there's opportunity to buy some?
Well, it all depends where you look. To me, it felt like the market was down huge today, and all of a sudden you hear Dow Jones at historic highs. So it kind of felt like underneath the surface there was a lot of more negative price action than not, but doesn't mean you could just be short. You know, you look here at the differences. You look at the S&P cash, first of all. You know, this looks good still. This, you know, you had a breakout above 2193, hit a little bit of a peak of 2213, a little bit of a sell signal yesterday, okay, as it broke out and came back in. So today, this pullback looks controlled. So I'd love to see this area hold in the S&P. That, to me, I think would be buyable. Okay, or you see a red dog reversal around today's low, which was 2187. Okay, but like you said, the Qs could be trouble. Usually when technology falls apart like this, it means you should be cautious, or at least be cautious with technology. This did not make a new high. Okay, you saw that the S&P did. This did not, and this one pulling down, they led to another. Now it's below the 8 and 21 days, so I guess we'll see how it handles the 200-day. But right away, this is not good for momentum traders. It means it's back in the range. Look what the diamonds did. Look what the Dow did. The Dow made another high. It's been trending up. Looks a lot different than the NASDAQ. Usually it's better when the NASDAQ leads. So at this point, the Dow looks healthy. Just make sure that this ascending channel stays intact.
Yesterday we were talking about 52 could be a target price for oil, and today we're almost there. Where is your next target level for oil?
Well, I came in long oil, and I still long a little oil, but I reduced because one big strong day I was happy to get another 3-4%. But to me, I still think there's room to go in oil. And we talked yesterday on how it can get above this spot, which it did, and then you had some follow through. So now the USO itself maybe could get to there, but I have a little less. I'd like to see some sideways movement, and then I would say that we can continue to the upside. I also said that the XLE could see 76. Okay, and XLE actually went to 76 in reverse. Look at that. But overall, the XLE has been a lot more constructive. Why has it been more constructive? Because we talk about when things are above the 200-day moving average, like it is here, that's institutional support. Versus a year or so ago, look how it was below. It's been below the 200-day since almost 2015. So stay away, stay away, stay away. Here's accumulate, and then there you go. So I don't think today was the top in the oil names, but a little bit extended. So lots of rotation, lots of movement, but lots of ways to get in trouble. If you think like the banks that were so strong can't go up and you got short, you're losing money the same way if you think that tech, is going to hang in there to make new highs, that could hurt. Look at Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs, look at the size of this move. I know a lot of people who started shorting this thing way too early, okay, instead of looking at the technicals. This was one breakout. And then look at this, it's a perfect bull flag. What did it do? Extended from the 8-day, let the 8-day catch up, went sideways, broke out for 3 days. So if you've been shorting this since here, you might have covered into there. If you took some off and waited for a nice bull flag consolidation to get back involved, you're getting paid. So I would say at this point, trust the technicals, use your moving averages, use your pivots, and don't have opinions.
Well, tomorrow is the big non-farm job day. You think the market already priced in the potential rate hike in December? If we get a good number, what will happen to the market?
I think, like you said, 100% rating. The question is how many rate hikes are we going to have next year? Okay, some guys say 2, some guys say 3. I think in December, no matter what, we're going to go. The only thing that would be confusing if we have like a horrible number, maybe get a little bit of a bounce in gold and a little bit of a bounce in the TLTs because they're that oversold. but I don't think it changes any of the narrative, especially for December and for the beginning of next year. So I think tomorrow is basically a non-event. I'm hoping, we get some kind of down opening to buy for a reflex move, because some of these things have pulled in. But if we open up, it'll be a little bit harder to navigate.
Okay, that's what we have today.
Yes, and make sure to tune back in on Monday. We'll have a full show in the morning for the recap, for the note. Tomorrow's the abbreviated version from Short Hills.
好的，以上呢就是今天节目的全部内容，感谢您的收看，我们明天再会。